So guys, if you want to make $150 per day with Clickbank, then keep watching this video because I will be sharing with you a tactic. If you are going to apply that tactic, you will be able to make $150 per day with Clickbank. But before that, if you want 100% free training to make your first $100 per day as a complete beginner, then check out the link in the description, and after this training you can easily make $100 per day online. And also, if you like videos about making money online and entrepreneurship related videos, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to join the entrepreneur family. So let's get started. So now we are simply going to hop onto the whiteboard, and thereafter we are also going to hop onto the Clickbank. So I will be sharing with you how to select a high converting product, and finally after that I will also share with you how to get a ton of traffic to the affiliate product. So now we are simply going to hop onto the whiteboard. So basically what we are going to do over here is we are going to do the whole step-by-step process over here is so the first step that I want to share with you is of course selecting a niche. Okay, a niche can be anything, like for example if you are in the weight loss niche, okay, that will be another niche. Okay, if you are in the niche of dating, or maybe you are in the niche of business and marketing, stuff like that. So for example, for now I'm going to take the niche of the marketing. Okay, marketing. So now we are going to hop onto the Clickbank, and when I just search for the traffic, it's also kind of in the marketing we need a lot of traffic. Okay, so when I just search for traffic, look at this, there are literally a lot of products are coming over here. Okay, this product, this is not a good product. You can see only one affiliate is promoting this product. Okay, and it's about $20 for every product, and this one having less than one affiliate is promoting. Okay, what does that actually mean? That means kind of one affiliate or something like that is promoting to that product. Okay, and when we are going to check out this one is also not a good product, and this one is also not. All of these products are not good really. Okay, so yeah, we find the good one. As you can see, the traffic boards, 10 affiliate tools, 75% commission, and the cash prizes as well. So as you can see over here, this product is going to give us $11.98 on an average, and the initial dollar is this amount. So how you need to find a product? First of all, find a product which should have at least gravity of 20. Okay, because if the product is not converting, that means the affiliates are not promoting it. So we are simply going to take it this way. Okay, so now you can see that the product is having a gravity of 42. That means a good amount of affiliates are promoting that. Okay, so now we are going to select this product, and we will see what kind of other things we need to look. So the second thing that I always tell others is has a recurring billing. Recurring billing means whenever this guy is going to buy this product, he has to pay something every single month. It's kind of a membership. For example, in the ClickFunnels or any other tool like autoresponder, you have to pay every single month. So that is the reason over here that will help us to keep on getting the money even if we are not working. And the pitch plus, that means once they have bought a product, he will be promoted another product. So these are certain things you need to remember, and thereafter I will also tell you to just have a look at the page, whether the page looks kind of attracting a newbie or something like that, a customer, then of course go with that. Okay, and if you have any issue with that, simply contact to their support. Okay, and also guys, is a lot of times they are not even supporting, so do not like to promote the product if somebody is not even supporting you. Okay, so generally I saw in some of the cases they do not reply. Okay, but you can simply email them if you have any issue. So now let's just see that let's say that this product is a good converting product. Okay, because we can see a lot of things are good, but after you are going to send the traffic, there will be some of the metrics will come, whether it's converting with that type of traffic or it's not converting. So the actual way is to start building an email list. Okay, is to start building an email list, because once you are going to build an email list, let's say after you are going to build an email list, you are going to promote a product one. Okay, and let's say that product is a very dummy and it's not converting. So let's say if you are going to drive the traffic from anywhere. Okay, let's say you are going to drive the traffic from the Facebook, and you are going to provide send the traffic directly to the affiliate link, to the affiliate product. So if the product is dummy, you have lost all of the traffic. You have to regenerate the traffic. Okay, that means it's not converting, you didn't make even any money. But what if you are going to send a traffic to a one page website, okay, a one page website where you are going to collect other people's email before they are going to go to your landing, before they are going to go to the product, and even if the one product is not going to convert very well, you can simply sell the second product to them. Why? Just because you have an email list, you can simply shoot them an email and can promote the second product, and you can keep on promoting them again and again through the lifetime, because the people are already in your list. You do not have to go to the Facebook again and again to get the traffic. So remember this thing. It's a really thing that can help you to make a ton of more money. Okay, on an average, I can not really say, but some of the marketers are making $10 for every email they collect. Some are making $1, some are making 50 cents, but on an average you can say $2 to $3 is not a big deal. And even if you are the worst marketer ever, you can still make at least $3 to $1. Okay, even if everything sucks, you can make at least $5. I'm sorry, it's the 50 cent I was saying. Okay, so now when we are going to hop onto this page, look at this page looks really amazing. $3,000 affiliate commission with 100% free traffic, and also they do have a lot of what it is called, yeah, it's okay, yeah, it's it's a what it is called, proof. Yeah, they are also having the proof. And look at this over here, they are all, I think they are also going to give a ton of bonuses. Okay, when we are going to go down, find a hot niche, thereafter gets free YouTube traffic. Okay, promote with profit with stuff like that, get free traffic with Google. Thereafter forever they are going to, yeah, it seems to be a high converting product because they are giving a lot of things. They are giving the softwares, everything, and the money back guarantee as well. Always say, whenever you are going to select a product, one thing I always recommend you is just have your product with a money back guarantee. Even if your even if your customer to whom you are going to sell a product, he do not like, he can simply apply for the refund. Because if they are not going to like the product and there is no refund, then they will be frustrated and they may never buy from you. Okay, so that is a big reason. If the marketer is too big, for example, maybe the Thai Lopez or maybe the Onyx Single, even if they do not have the 100 refund guarantee, still we can say that their product are literally full of value. So in that is a different case. But over here on the Clickbank Warrior Plus, be sure to always look at the this, like they should have a money back guarantee. Okay, and you can see it's a big return over there, 60-day money back guarantee, no questions asked. So that is what I really think that this is going to be a good converting product. So now let's say we have selected a product. So now we have done with the first step. Okay, if you want, you can simply build a landing page to collect the emails. That's your choice, but that will help you to drastically improve your conversions. It will help to bring you the recurring billing as well. Okay, you can simply promote them. If you have a new product, that just depends on you. So now it's time to get the traffic to your page, because if there is no one going to your affiliate link, who is going to buy? You are not going to make money. There will be the $0 in your Clickbank account. But how you can avoid that? So when I search for the website traffic, you can see there are a lot of kind of websites come. Okay, and on the first there is a website by Neil Patel. Okay, so we are going to hop onto his website. So let's just see that, look at this. So what you need to do now in order to drive a ton of more traffic, and it's 100% free traffic method, you can simply search on the Google. Okay, simply search on the Google for your traffic. For example, website traffic, because the people who need traffic, they are going to send the traffic to a website. The chances are this. So I searched for website traffic and I found an article by the Neil Patel. So when I just going through the article, one thing, first of all, go through that article. I will not say that just start going through the just have a complete look at the article, but have an overview. Just understand what the article is saying to you. So after you are going to go through the article, just leave a nice comment. In the comment, praise one thing about the article. So that will tell the article writer, the blog owner, that this guy has really read my blog. Okay, so this guy has really read my blog and this guy is legit. Okay, so thereafter you are going to simply tell them, hey guy, hey, you have hey, I really like your website traffic, and that helped me to increase my traffic by 50%. Okay, and thereafter in the end you can say something like, hey, if you want to get more traffic, 100% more free traffic, then check out the link below. Okay, and thereafter you can simply link out your affiliate product. But most people do not like to drive the traffic to an affiliate people. They hate the affiliate links on their blogs. So in that case you can simply build an opt-in page, okay, a website. From there you are going to collect the email, and then you can simply send them to an affiliate offer. Because guys, you might be thinking, who is going to come to click on my link? Because the catch is Neil Patel. He's having millions of visitors every single month, millions of visitors. He's also having a huge email list. So whenever he's going to write any new article, he is going to send that to his email. So that means he will get hundreds of thousands of visitors. So in order to get the instant amount of boost, you should be the first one to write the comment, okay, because that will help you to give the a lot of more and more traffic. So now in that case you can see over here, yes, I want traffic. When you are going to click on yes, oh, I want more traffic, you will be able to subscribe to the Neil Patel email list. In that way, whenever there will be any new article by Neil Patel, you can simply comment in the same way, just like this, as I already told you. So on that time, if you will be the first one to comment on there, hundreds and thousands of people are going to see the link, and let's say you are only going to get 1,000 clicks, because the Neil Patel probably having, I can say at least he is having going to have a list of 100,000, because it is the least, I can say least, guys, least. Okay, so let's say you're going to get 1,000 clicks, and out of that you're going to collect the opt-ins. Your landing page converts at up to 50%, and you are going to collect 500 emails. Okay, and you will be able to make the $250, even if you are going to make just 50 cents every single month with every email. So that's an extra revenue of $250 every single month. Okay, and you are also going to make the money when you are going to send the traffic to the affiliate link. Let's say only 2% are going to buy. 2% of the 500 people, 10 people are going to buy, 10 people are going to buy, and each product is going to give you, let's say, $10. So you have made $100 by just simply commenting on these blogs. And one of the other thing you can do, simply just subscribe to the email list of the most powerful marketers in your niche. Okay, whether it's the paleo diet or whatever, just search for there, and whatever the website are coming on the top, subscribe to their email list, because they are ranking on the top. So chances are they are having a huge email list. And the second method is simply click on the tools, and thereafter click on any time, and then click on 24 hours and or past week. In this way you will be able to find which are newly published. That means they will be keep on getting the traffic from their social media, from their email list. So that is the, in the initial time they are going to get the more and more traffic. Okay, so that is what I can really say you. And if you're going to use these tactics, just select a good product and start building an email list with this method, you will be able to make at least $150. Okay, $150 is really not a big deal, guys. Okay, but if you want to know more about this, if you want to make more money with this, at least $100, yeah, that's in that $100 training. I'm going to give you the complete training on how to exactly go from $0 to $100 per day. For that I'm going to give you 5-day free training. So for that you can check out the link in the description right now. It's 100% free training that can help you to make $100 with an exact training. And even if you are going to use that training, you may make $200, you may make $300. There is no limit, but the least I can say, you should make $100 if you are going to take action. So I will see you in the training. So bye bye for now.